Hey, what's up guys, how's it going? Welcome back to another video. And if you're new to this channel, you can smash the subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so anytime I upload a new video, you guys will be notified. So in this video, I'll be showing you how to apply Kalodata promo code to your Kalodata subscription, and then you get up to 15% or 10% depending on the platform or the plan you're actually trying to subscribe for. So basically, I'm on the Kalodata website right now, so I'll be taking you straight down to the pricing page so you can see how much it's gonna take you to subscribe to the Kalodata United States. And then if you apply the code I'm gonna show you in this video, how much you're gonna be paying for that particular subscription. So let me walk you straight down to the page. I don't know what's going on with the network, but then the page is gonna load. All right, so just select your country, and then if you're visiting from United States, your country will have been already selected. You can see United States at the top right, then United States right here as well. Then if you are going for the starter plan, you're going to be paying this amount for a yearly, and if you want to go for the monthly to see how the platform works, then you're going to be paying $46, and for professional you're going to be paying $100. And for the enterprise, you have to reach out to the customer support center. But then if you're going for the yearly plan, you get a discount, and then if you apply the code I'm going to give you, you also get extra discount on it. So let me try out the starter plan, which is showing us $38.03. So I'm going to click on buy. Then you can see this option right here. So in a year you're going to be paying this amount, but then if you apply this code I'm going to give you right here, then apply the code, then you can see the discount is already applied. You can see instead of you paying $459, so you pay $45.90. You can see your discount of $45.90 off. I think that's a lot for a year. And if you want to go for the monthly plan, so you can switch to monthly right here, then click on buy. So instead of $46 approximately, then apply the code, then the discount code will be applied, and then you're going to be paying $41.31. So then click on go to pay and purchase your plan. So that's how you can apply this code for Kalodata TikTok analytics too, and then you'll be able to get a discount works. And if you have any question, you can let me know through the comment section below. Thank you.